All right, let's head home. Finally, we get to go home. George, where did that cough come from? I don't know. Margaret getting lost in the store is killing me. Bro, you better not have the Rona. Can you actually turn up the air? I'm like burning up. What do you mean? The air conditioning's on full blast. Haha, he's like a lady with menopause. Marie, he's 2. He's not a 50-year-old lady. I guess I really don't know what that means. We're at a light. Let me see if you feel warm. Okay. George, you're burning up. I don't think we're going home. What do you mean we're not going home? I just want to go to bed. But at least it's not me. I gotta take you to urgent care. Sorry. Not that place.